Hello everyone, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing, and it's this, it's the doorbell, as you can see on the picture and read by the description. Yeah, my doorbell's packed up, so I've had to order a new one. So I thought, well, that's tech, so we can do an unboxing. So this is how it came. It came in another box with some other stuff that I ordered, and so nothing special on the box, just a brown box with black print all over it. Tells you to make OMERIL. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's doorbell. Comes with two doorbells. Obviously the connection outside plus two ringers on the inside. So let's get out the box and have a look. So these are plug-in ones, by the way, rather than battery. I had my other one for a couple of years and it just suddenly died on me. So I had to get a new one. So that's the bit that goes on the outside of the house. It's supposed to be waterproof as well, by the way. So I'm not going to try it because I assume most doorbells will waterproof. Right, how do I get this out? There's some instructions in there somewhere, look. Little adhesive sticker has to go on the outside. Plays 32 tunes, 32 CD quality tunes, it says on there. So what you've got here, you've got a little barcode. Register your new OMERIL product and claim 3 years free warranty. The easy way to register, visit blah 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 or scan the QR code, that's what it says. And it's got some information on the back. 12 months warranty extension, see that? We'll read that later. Oh, it comes with some raw plugs and some screws. Get 2 raw plugs, 2 screws. Not sure if I'm going to need that, because I'm just going to use the sticky. Oh, hang on. It comes with a screwdriver. Yeah, it costs just under £15, and I'll stick a link in the description in case you want to buy one. It comes with a user manual as well. So I'm not going to bother reading that. It's all different languages. So how many pages have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages for the UK on there, and it's just safety, troubleshooting, stuff like that. We'll read that later. Let's have a look around at the device. So there's your speaker. So you just plug it into your wall, and you can adjust the tune. So I'm imagining that you can adjust different tunes for different rooms, because obviously it comes with 2. Yeah, so you have 2 of these. So I'll probably have 1 in here. It says it can do up to 300 meters, and I need 1 in here because when I'm out in the garden, I can't hear my doorbell when it's in there somewhere. So I'm going to have 1 in the hallway and 1 in here for when people ring me, or for when people ring at the door, I mean. And this is the actual bell itself, and obviously it's got a battery in it, and I'm sorry about my printer if you can hear it, and obviously when you press it, it lights up. It looks quite nice. Like I said, it's supposed to be waterproof or shower proof, I believe it is. What's it say? It says 5 adjustable volumes. Oh yeah, it has adjustable volume as well, so you can adjust the volume. Mute mode, only LED flash. Well, that's pretty good. 32 CD quality tunes option, multicolour LED indicator. Oh right, so I'm looking forward to trying this. So with that, what I'll do now is I'll set it all up, and we'll have a little play about with it and have a listen to all the different tunes. Alright, ready then? So what we'll do before we start playing the doorbell tunes, we're going to adjust the volume so you can see different volume levels. That's getting louder. That's really loud. That's going back down again. That's going quiet. Even quieter. And that's off. So that's your mute setting. So if you don't want to hear the doorbell, but it will flash the lights, that's setting there. So we're going to leave it at that setting so it's not too loud, because it can be annoying for this demo. So now we're going to go through all the sequences of the 32 tunes. So do bear with it. If you want to skip it, you know, obviously you can. But here we go. Right, so that's it for this little doorbell demonstration. I think it sounded pretty good, and I've already put one of them in the hallway so the wife can hear it, and this one will be going in this room somewhere. I haven't quite decided whereabouts it's going to go, but I've tested it and it does work. If she presses the button out in the front, it does work. So it's going through the walls fine. It says 300 metres. It doesn't say anything about going through walls, but it came through lovely and clear, had no problems. It's electric. The things you might have to remember is that if you unplug it and you plug it back in, it resets itself to the default sound and sets itself on maximum. So you will have to adjust it if you keep unplugging it and plugging it back in again, which I'm going to have to do because I want to turn the volume down a little bit, and I also want to select my own tune. So I thought it was quite good. It gets a Yorkies thumbs up. Like I say, it's from a company called OMERIL, and I'll stick a link in the description to Amazon in case you decide you want to buy it. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and thank you very much for watching. Oh, and please subscribe.